Dart skill presents mean, median, mode and range. Sometimes when we have a set of data values or numbers, we want to represent that entire set of numbers with one single number. For example, to compare that with another set of numbers. That one single number that is representative of the entire set of numbers can be calculated in a few different ways. We can find their mean, also called the average, or we can find their median. I'll explain what that means. Or we could go for the mode, or even the range. The mean of a set of numbers is given as the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers that you have added. And obviously that's the same number as the number of numbers on the list. So for example, if you were to find the mean of, let's say, 2, 1, 6, 0 and 5, you would add them up. So you would do 2 plus 1, that's 3, 3 plus 6, that's 9, and 9 plus 5, that's 14, and you would divide 14 with the number of numbers, which is 5. And that gives you 2.8. So that one single number 2.8 is kind of representative of this entire set of numbers. The median of a number is simply the middle number, but only after you have sorted the numbers, that is, arranged them from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So it's the middle number after arranging. Let's just say we want to find the median of this set of numbers. So our first job is to rearrange them. I'm going to go for smallest to largest. 0 first, then we have a 1, 2, 5 and 6. And the middle number clearly is this number 2. So that becomes the median. Now we could find one single middle number if the list has got an odd number of numbers. For example, there are 5 numbers on this list. What if we had another number? Let's say 8. Now there are 2 middle numbers, 2 and 5. And then to find the median, you find the average or the mean of the 2 middle numbers. So we add up 2 plus 5 and divide that with 2, which gives us 3.5. So the median becomes 3.5. The mode of a set of numbers is the number that appears the maximum number of times on that list. For example, if you were to work with the numbers, let's say 10 and 26, 15, 26, 11, 18, 10, 26 again. The mode is 26 because that appears 3 times on this list. And that's the maximum number of times any of these numbers appear on the list. You have 2 10s, but you have 3 26. I have to say here that if more than one number appears the same number of times, and that is the highest number of times on the list, for example, if we had another 10 here, some books and teachers would prefer to say that there are 2 modes, 10 and 26, whereas some others would say there is no mode. You want to check with your teacher which way he or she would prefer you to answer such a question. And finally, the range of a set of numbers is simply the highest minus the lowest number. So if we were to find the range on this set of numbers, the highest, as I can see, is 26. That's the highest. Minus the lowest number on this list is 10. So the range is 16. So the range, as the name implies, kind of gives you an idea about the range of data that you have on that list. Let's do a problem. Find the mean, median, mode and range of the following set of numbers. And we have the numbers here. To find the mean, we add up the numbers. So we do 35 plus 21 plus 18 plus 40 plus 35 plus 32 plus 6 plus 18 plus 20 plus 18. And divide that sum with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's equal to 243 divided by 10. So the mean is 24.3. To find the median, let's not forget to arrange them from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. Let's go smallest to largest. So we have the smallest number on this list as 6. So we have 6 and then we have 18, 18, 18, 3 18s, 18, 18, 18, 21. We have a 20 here actually. So we have 20 and then we have a 21. And then I believe we have a 32, 35, 35. So there you go, 35 and then a 40, which makes it 10. Now because there are 10 numbers on this list, there's not one single middle number. The two middle numbers are 20 and 21, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So to find the median, we find the average of 20 and 21. 20 plus 21, divide that with 2 and you get 20.5. So the median is 20.5. How about the mode? That's easy. If you look at this list, the sorted list, there are 3 18s and there are 2 35s. The rest are all 1s each. So the mode is 18, the number that appears the maximum number of times. And the range, of course, is the highest, that's 40, minus the lowest, that's 6. So this is 34. That's how you find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range.